brave. Yeah. He's brave. New wing. I'm going to no, I can delete this for a small fee.
Okay.
I just got my thing on in time. I mean already, like this last gust that came through, I decided, well, that's me packing. I was quite.
Oh, aren't you going to fly?
No, I'm going to pack up and go and watch the second half of the rugby. I mean, you know, because it's not going to be a good flight. So